Google continues its commitment to sustainability with eco-friendly packaging for the Pixel 9 series, utilizing paper and cardboard materials. This move not only reduces plastic waste, but also aligns with the growing consumer demand for environmentally responsible products. It's a small step, but it makes a significant impact on reducing our carbon footprint. The unboxing experience is minimalist and environmentally conscious. The packaging is designed to be simple yet elegant, reflecting Google's design philosophy. Every element, from the box to the accessories, is thoughtfully placed to ensure a seamless unboxing experience. Underneath, we find the USB-C to USB-C cable, a quick start guide, and a SIM ejector tool. These essentials are all you need to get started with your new device. The inclusion of a SIM ejector tool is a thoughtful touch, ensuring you can easily switch your SIM card without any hassle. Notably, there's no charging brick included, aligning with current industry trends. This decision is part of a broader effort to reduce electronic waste and encourage the use of existing chargers. While some may find this inconvenient, it's a step towards a more sustainable future. Many users already have compatible chargers, and this move helps to minimize the environmental impact of producing and disposing of additional electronic components. The Pixel 9 Pro XL features a premium design with a matte glass back. This finish not only looks sleek but also provides a comfortable grip, reducing the chances of accidental drops. The prominent camera bar houses a versatile triple lens setup, offering a range of photographic capabilities. Whether you're capturing wide-angle shots, detailed close-ups, or stunning portraits, this camera system has you covered. The device feels substantial yet comfortable in hand. Its weight distribution is well balanced, making it easy to hold for extended periods without causing strain. The 6.8-inch OLED display is vibrant and sharp, offering an immersive viewing experience. Colors are rich and true to life, making everything from photos to videos look stunning. With a 120 Hz refresh rate, scrolling and animations are incredibly smooth. This high refresh rate enhances the overall user experience, making interactions feel more responsive and fluid. The Pixel 9 Pro XL is powered by Google's Tensor G4 chip, designed to enhance AI capabilities and overall performance. This custom chipset ensures that the device can handle demanding tasks with ease. The AI capabilities of the Tensor G4 chip are particularly impressive. From real-time language translation to advanced photo editing, this chip enables a range of smart features that make the Pixel 9 Pro XL stand out. It comes equipped with up to 16 GB of RAM, ensuring smooth multitasking and efficient performance. Whether you're running multiple apps or playing graphics-intensive games, this device can handle it all. With 512 GB of storage, you'll have ample space for all your apps, photos, videos, and more. This generous storage capacity means you won't have to worry about running out of space anytime soon. Running on the latest version of Android, the Pixel 9 Pro XL offers a clean and intuitive user experience. The interface is user-friendly, with easy access to all your favorite apps and settings. With exclusive features and timely updates guaranteed for 7 years, you can be confident that your device will stay current and secure. This long-term support is a significant advantage, ensuring your phone remains up-to-date with the latest software enhancements. Features like Magic Eraser in Google Photos allow for easy removal of unwanted elements in your pictures. This tool leverages the device's AI prowess to seamlessly edit your photos, making it easier than ever to achieve the perfect shot. The advanced AI capabilities of the Pixel 9 Pro XL extend beyond photography. From smart home integration to personalized recommendations, this device is designed to make your life easier and more connected. The built-in Google Assistant is more powerful than ever, offering hands-free control over your device and smart home gadgets. Whether you're setting reminders, sending messages, or controlling your lights, the Google Assistant is there to help. Security is also a top priority with the Pixel 9 Pro XL. It features advanced security measures, including a fingerprint sensor and face unlock, ensuring that your data remains safe and secure. The battery life is impressive, with a long-lasting battery that can easily get you through a full day of use. And with fast charging support, you can quickly top up your battery when needed. The Pixel 9 Pro XL also supports wireless charging, adding another layer of convenience. Simply place your phone on a compatible charging pad, and it will start charging without the need for cables. Additionally, the device is water and dust resistant with an IP68 rating. This means it can withstand splashes, spills, and even brief submersion in water, giving you peace of mind in various environments. The adaptive brightness feature ensures that the screen is always easy to see, whether you're in bright sunlight or a dimly lit room. The display automatically adjusts to provide the best viewing experience in any lighting condition. The front-facing camera is perfect for video calls and selfies, offering high-quality images and video. Whether you're connecting with friends and family or attending virtual meetings, you'll look your best. Connectivity options are top-notch, with support for 5G and Wi-Fi 6. This ensures fast and reliable internet connections, whether you're streaming, gaming, or browsing the web. The Pixel 9 Pro XL is compatible with a wide range of apps, and its powerful hardware ensures smooth performance across the board. From productivity tools to entertainment apps, this device can handle it all with ease. Augmented reality features add another layer of fun and functionality. Whether you're playing AR games or using AR for navigation, the Pixel 9 Pro XL delivers a seamless and immersive experience. The device is also compatible with a range of accessories, from cases to earbuds, allowing you to customize and enhance your user experience. With so many options available, you can tailor the Pixel 9 Pro XL to suit your needs and preferences. Overall, the Google Pixel 9 Pro XL is a well-rounded device that excels in design, performance, and functionality. It's a testament to Google's commitment to innovation and user satisfaction, making it a top contender in the smartphone market.